In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Booking.com so you can view prices in the currency that suits you best. This is especially useful when you're planning trips abroad or comparing costs. Let's make sure your booking experience is seamless and personalized. Let's get started. First, go to Booking.com and let the homepage fully load. Then, click the three lines menu icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. After that, select the current currency shown. In this video, it was PHP as an example. Now choose the new currency you want to switch to from the list of available options. Finally, you can verify that the currency has changed by browsing or starting to book a flight. Prices should now appear in your selected currency. Bonus tip: switching currencies doesn't affect your payment method. It only changes how prices are displayed, so you can easily compare without doing conversions. And that's how you change the currency on Booking.com in just a few steps. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful tutorials. See you next time!